my channel. So today's video is another recipe video. So I'm gonna do spaghetti carbonara. So it's very easy to make and very quick. So I have my water boiling on the stove. I put some water in it, and all you need is spaghetti. You need salt. You will need some pecorino cheese, but you can use parmigiano. I think it's good as well. The next thing that I have with me here is pancetta. I'm using pancetta because I don't have guanciale, which is supposed to be used in the meal, but pancetta works fine as well. So this is the smoked one, and yeah, it's basically just bacon, smoked bacon. And then I have 2 eggs, so I'm gonna use 2 egg yolks, and then I have some chopped garlic that I'm gonna put inside to make the carbonara really yummy. Okay, so my water is boiling. I've already put water to boil, and then so I'm gonna put my carbonara inside the water. So yeah. Okay, so my water is boiling. I'm just gonna put my spaghetti inside like so. Make sure to not break it, and then you can keep turning it so it goes inside the pot like that. I'm using a smaller pot because this is a meal just for me. So yeah, just keep turning the pasta like so, and then it's gonna fall inside like that. Okay guys, so now that your pasta is boiling, get your pancetta. Add a little bit of oil to your pan, just a little bit, because the pancetta is already quite fatty. So put your pancetta or your guanciale in the pan. I'm gonna put both of them because I like my carbonara with a lot of pancetta. Okay. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is add my garlic. Some people just add like the whole clove of garlic and then take it out at the end, but I like mine to be really, really garlicky and really, you know, to have that garlic taste. So that's why I do that. I hope you guys can see. My pasta is going. Oh, I need to find this. Okay. Now that my my pancetta is getting brown and very, very crispy, you want to start separating the egg yolk and the egg white. So you don't need the egg white to make carbonara. So all you need is to separate it like that. Okay, so all you need is the egg yolk. So I'm gonna put that there. Okay. Okay. Then put that there. Separate that. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna turn the heat off my pancetta because I think it's good enough now. Okay, so as you all can see, my pancetta looks yummy. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what you have to do with your eggs. Okay, so I'm going to take my pecorino cheese and then slice that inside your egg yolk. And just mix everything together. You can also add some pepper. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna need this later, so I'm gonna show you how we're gonna add the pasta to the pancetta now. Okay, so now that you've mixed everything together, you wanna see if your pasta is ready. I want mine to be more than al dente because I don't like the hard pasta. Anyway, I'm gonna cheat a little bit and then I'm gonna put some cream in mine because I love to put cream in mine, but Italians are gonna kill me for this, but yeah. Anyway, we're gonna put a little bit of cream, which is called panna. If you're in Italy, you know what I mean. Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay, so your cream should look like this. Okay guys, I really need to figure out how to place you guys, but I think this is good enough. Anyway, so the next step is me. I'm gonna get some of my pancetta. You'll see why in the end. I'll get a little bit of that and put it out, not too much, just a little bit. So I'm gonna separate that and that, but we're gonna need that to put everything together. Okay guys, now that my pasta is done, I'm gonna turn on the heat for where the pancetta is, and then I'm just going to get some of my pasta like so. Put it in your pan. Get your pasta. Make sure to not throw away the water because you will need it to make it really creamy. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now that your pasta is going, just keep mixing like that. And then this is the very important part, or maybe the more should I say the part that is more difficult. You don't want to put your egg yolk right away when the heat is going, so turn it off. Okay, turn it off, and then you want to put that inside and then keep mixing really fast like that, because you don't want it to be you don't want it to cook. You don't want to make, fried eggs. You want to make the carbonara sauce, so make sure you keep mixing and get the water from the pasta mixed like that. See the cream that you're having? Keep mixing. Okay, so you're just gonna keep mixing like that. Make sure your heat is off because you don't want to make fried eggs. I'm gonna add some water in my okay. It's so creamy. Just want to show you how creamy it looks. Really creamy. Okay, so now it's time to plate everything. Okay, now the next part is plating. So I'm just gonna plate my carbonara on my pan like that. On my plate. Okay, get some pancetta. Plate more. Let's just do more. Okay, like that. And then, see why I left some pancetta out before? I'm just gonna sprinkle that on top like that. Sprinkle that on top. Okay. The next thing you want to do is get your pepper, black pepper. The secret for a good carbonara is also having some black pepper. A lot of black pepper. And then get your pecorino cheese and then just okay. And voila, this is spaghetti alla carbonara, pecorino cheese and pancetta. So yum. So we're gonna do a mukbang on this. So if you wanna watch me eat this, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.